If you've ever opened your Windows desktop, documents, or pictures folder and thought, where did my files go? You're definitely not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find missing files on Windows, including where to check on your PC, how to search properly, and how OneDrive may have moved your files without you realizing it. This is a super common issue, especially if you use OneDrive backup. And the good news is that in most cases, your files are not actually deleted. They're usually just stored in a different location. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Windows tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. The first place you want to check is your OneDrive folders. Many Windows users don't realize that OneDrive can automatically back up desktop, documents, and pictures. So if something seems missing from your normal folders, press Windows key plus E to open File Explorer. Then look in the OneDrive section on the left side. Open OneDrive and check folders like desktop, documents, and pictures. A lot of the time, the files you think are gone are sitting right there inside OneDrive instead of your local folders. Now, if you still can't find the file, the next step is to use Windows Search. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and start typing the exact file name, or even part of the name if you don't remember it fully. Windows will search across your system and often show you the file location right in the results. When you find the file, right-click it or open the file location so you can see exactly where it is stored. This is one of the fastest ways to track down missing documents, photos, and downloads. If that still doesn't help, check OneDrive on the web. Open your browser and go to OneDrive Web. Then sign in with the same Microsoft account connected to your PC. Once you're inside, check My Files first. This is where your synced files should appear. Then also check the recycle bin because sometimes files that were deleted from the cloud or synced folders may still be recoverable there. If your file is in the OneDrive recycle bin, you may be able to restore it in just a couple of clicks. Here's another very important thing to check. If OneDrive backup is turned on, OneDrive may have moved your desktop, documents, or pictures folders into the OneDrive directory automatically. To confirm that, click the OneDrive cloud icon near the clock in the taskbar. Then click the gear icon and choose Settings. From there, open Sync and the Backup, and then click Manage Backup. If desktop, documents, or pictures are enabled, that means OneDrive may be syncing or redirecting those folders, so your files may still be there just under OneDrive instead of the local path you expected. If you want to narrow things down even more, try searching by file type too. For example, search for the document name, or look for common file extensions like .docx, .pdf, .jpg, or .png. You can also sort through recent files in File Explorer if you remember when you last used it. The goal is to figure out whether the file was moved, synced, renamed, or deleted. And if the file was accidentally deleted, don't forget to check the recycle bin on Windows as well. It's a simple step, but it can save you a lot of stress. If you find the file there, just restore it and it should go back to its original location or the location Windows shows in the restore path. So to quickly recap, start with OneDrive folders, then use Windows Search, then check OneDrive Web and the recycle bin, and finally review your OneDrive backup settings to see whether desktop, documents, or pictures were redirected. In most cases, that's enough to find your missing files and get everything back where it belongs. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Windows fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.